Hate showing your teeth in public? Here's the fastest way to fix it. If you don't like your teeth, you've probably thought about veneers. There's just one problem. Traditional veneers cost $20,000 or more. But that's not even the worst part. Classic veneers require grinding your healthy teeth down to stubs to install them. Yikes. Sadly, most cheap snap-on veneers look so fake you can spot them a mile away. That's because they're not made by a dentist. They come from some factory that's pumping out 1,000 fake smiles a minute. So those instant smiles you can just pop on will never look like your real smile. And they could even damage your gums and lead to more dental problems. This is because of two reasons. First, they're not customized to your mouth, so they don't fit naturally. And second, they're not made by a real dentist, so they have basically zero standards. But now there's a better way to get veneers. They're custom made just for you using real impressions of your mouth. They're personalized and handcrafted in a Texas dental lab by actual dentists. Best of all, even though they look completely real, they're not permanent. They snap on in an instant, and they don't require a single drill or dentist visit. Plus, you can wear them all the time, including while you're eating. But you don't have to commit to anything. The whole process is done online, and it's super easy. More than 100,000 people have already done it, and they love the results. How many times have you felt self-conscious at social events, hiding your teeth behind your hand, or avoiding laughing, smiling, or eating? How many times have you stared at your teeth in pictures and wished you kept your mouth closed? The sad fact is that people do judge us by our smile. And if it's not perfect, it leads to a lot of anxiety and even missed opportunities, romantically and professionally. Shiny Smile Veneers were created by Dr. Dean, who installed traditional veneers for over a decade. But when his own mother asked for veneers, he realized he didn't feel comfortable damaging her teeth or charging her all that money. So he made something that he actually felt good recommending to her, along with all his other patients. That's why so many people have made the switch to Shiny Smile. In fact, they have over 12,000 plus 5-star reviews. People love them, and the customer support is awesome. Believe it or not, they also come with a 3-year warranty. So if anything happens, you can easily get them replaced for free. Plus, the whole process is super simple. You do it all from home, and you can remake your impressions for free if you're not happy, because they want you to love your result. So why keep hiding your smile? With just one click, you could be on your way to the smile you've always wanted. If you order today, your custom veneers could be ready in as little as 2 weeks. They're available in 3 natural shades that look beautiful but never fake. Plus, you can try them for 60 days totally risk-free. If you don't love them, just send them back for a full refund. Your new smile is waiting for you. Tap the button below and start your transformation today.